Alright, so I bought 7 of these. Pokemon Charizard and graded 5 card lot. God Pack guaranteed EX VMAX. Read description. Guaranteed 1 vintage V-Star VMAX. Every 10% pack is a God Pack. Includes a graded pack with a grade 5+ and or a rare Charizard card. Every 5% pack have a graded Charizard grade 9 out of 10. Alright. So I bought 7 of them. So let's see what we got in here. I already cut it open so we didn't dox me. So let's look at this actually. So we got 1, 3, CGC graded card, another pack, a random sleeved card, and 3 more packs. So we got, looks like 7 packs. So let's see what's in here. So we got a Poliwag, Meowstic, Trumbeak, Hariyama, and a Japanese EX. So we'll put that up there. There's a Hariyama on the top here. And another sleeved card in the back. None of these are vintage. We got a Leafeon V promo. Okay. Slugma here. Once again, nothing vintage. The description didn't say what is considered vintage, so who knows what they think is vintage. And we got a Pikachu from Celebrations. And then we've got a graded card here. Where's the grade? The grade is on this side. So let's see what we got. Oh shit. Okay, well, we got a CGC 8.5 Charizard V from Darkness Ablaze. This slab is pretty beat up. Why did it get a 8.5? Alright. So, got a Porygon, a Vulpix V. Alright. And what is this? A Regi whatever VMAX. Bonus. Okay. Borders are absolutely terrible on this card. Let's put this in a better sleeve here. Alright, we got a Japanese card in the back there. Alright. We'll scan those. These are all sleeved. Maybe this is the God Pack. God Pack. We got an Opal, a Roserade, a Zamazenta V-Star, whatever that is, and whatever that is. Alright. I want to say this was almost 60 bucks, so we'll just say 60. I've not seen a vintage card yet. That's from the Halloween. A Golurk V. Alright. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to scan all of these and add up the total and see if it was worth it. So we'll just pretend that that is rare, is a raw card, because there's no solds for any CGC 8.5s or 9s or 8s. So we'll just count it as a raw card. Oh, and then we've got our God pack. We got to scan this too. Looks like somebody just sent me all their terrible cards that they couldn't trade in. Make sure we got all these in here right. All right, 1981. So we lost about 40 bucks. Is it worth it? Absolutely not.